When new EV owners plug in their electric car for the first time, charging often doesn't work exactly as expected, and this can be surprising, especially when charging feels slower, costs seem higher, or public chargers don't behave the same way every time. Electric vehicles are efficient and convenient, but charging is very different from fueling a gas car, and real-world results depend on many everyday factors. Charging speed is not always constant because home outlets, home chargers, and public fast chargers all deliver different power levels, and even the same charger can perform differently depending on battery level, temperature, and timing, which can vary by model and usage. Most owners charge at home, which works well for daily driving, but standard outlets are slow, and faster home charging requires planning and proper setup. Public charging adds another layer, where availability, location, and temporary slowdowns can affect the experience, especially during busy hours. Charging time also depends on when you plug in, because batteries charge slower as they fill, which is normal and designed to protect long-term battery health. Weather plays a role as well, since cold conditions can slow charging and very hot weather can slightly limit power, all managed automatically by the vehicle. When buyers understand these real-world charging factors, EV ownership becomes more predictable, trip planning improves, and charging feels less confusing. If this explanation helped you, follow the Honest EV Guide Plus for simple, honest EV buying guides and practical advice made for everyday drivers.